Next, I'm going to install the UV disinfection system. Keep in mind when choosing the placement for the chamber, you'll need to leave enough room to be able to remove and replace both the lamp and sleeve. Once I determine the height for the system, I'll mark out 2 spots for the brackets. In this case, I'm spreading them out 12 inches. Where I want to install it, there is no stud, so I'm pre-drilling a couple of holes for some butterfly anchors. With the brackets up, I can go ahead and snap in the UV chamber. Next, I need to install the bracket clamps. And I'll continue my plumbing connections. Now I can install the sleeve to the UV system. Make sure not to touch the sleeve with your bare fingers. Next, I need to install the O-ring. Now I can install the gland nut. No tools required. It does have a positive stop. Next, I'll install the lamp spring. Now I can install the UV lamp, again making sure not to touch the quartz with my bare fingers. Now I need to install the UV power supply. With my marks made and leveled, I'll drill a couple of 3/16 inch holes for some drywall anchors. Next, I'll attach the lamp plug to the lamp. It only connects one way, and then it's a quarter turn to get it to engage into the gland nut. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, I'm now ready to attach the grounding screw to the grounding nut. Next, I'll attach the plug to the power supply, but I'm not ready to plug it into power yet. And lastly, I'll install the UV key.